Namaste. This is S.K. Patin Rahman, Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we discussion about a glycolysis step, ATP generation and significant. It is important procedure for any type of NADPH production and ATP production and production of pyruvic acid and other metabolic product like acetyl-CoA used in TCS cycle. Okay, so fermentation. So in glycolysis, fermentation and distillation are major stage of energy conversion in glycolysis process. Glycolytic pathway are the major metabolic pathway of microbial fermentation, which involve catabolysis of glucose into the pyruvate. Okay, so I am truly describe the glycolysis pathway in this lecture. You see that glycolysis in glycolysis, glucose is converted to the glucose 6-phosphate. Mainly is glucose to convert to the pyruvic acid, which is used in TCS cycle. Okay, so now we describe the briefly glycolysis cycle. Glycolysis cycle are in glycolysis cycle are glucose convert to the in first stage. It's the first stage convert to the glucose to glucose 6-phosphate by the hexokinase and produce ATP to ADP. Okay, it's the first stage. Now is second stage, glucose 6-phosphate to convert to the fructose 6-phosphate, and glucose fructose 6-phosphate convert to the fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Okay, now fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is converted to the one is dihydroxyacetone dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Other one is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Now, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate in this group are converted to the 1,3-bisphosphate glycerate. Okay, and 1,6-bisphosphate glycerate is converted to the 3-phosphoglycerate. And 3-phosphoglycerate is converted to the 2-phosphate glycerate. And 2-phosphoglycerate are converted to the PEP. Okay, and PEP convert to the pyruvate. Okay, so in glycolysis is first stage involved in glycolysis. The glycolysis of a molecule glucose degrade into series of enzyme catalyze the reaction to yield the 2 molecule of carbon compound of pyruvate. The fermentation of glycolysis through the glycolytic pathway can be divided into 2 stages. Each of the stages are independent enzyme reaction. First phase and second stage is divided into 2 categories. Okay. First phase is not a redox reaction. Do it not release energy, instinct the form of intermediate of the pathway. Stage 2, redox reaction occur, energy are consumed, and 2 molecules of pyruvic acid are formed. In first stage, is energy involvement. Sorry, for first phase, energy investment phase. The first is first 5 reaction of the pathway. Conversion of 1 glucose convert to the 1 glucose to the 2 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Including rate of limitation of state is converted to fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Okay, and catalyzed by the phosphofructokinase. Okay, In this reaction, in the glucose is converted to the glucose 6-phosphate and produce ATP to ADP and enzyme hexokinase. Okay. Now glucose 6-phosphate to the convert to the fructose 6-phosphate and phosphohexokinase isomerase is the enzyme. In enzyme, it is converted to the glucose 6-phosphate to the fructose 6-phosphate. Now fructose 6-phosphate to the fructose 1,6-bisphosphate converted. You use energy ATP to convert to the ADP, and phosphofructose kinase 1 are the main enzyme used in conversion of fructose 6-phosphate to the glucose 1,6-bisphosphate. Now fructose 1,6-bisphosphate to convert to the glyceride 3-phosphate. Okay, main enzyme used in this fourth step is aldose. Okay, so involved in reaction, glucose is phosphorylated with the use of ATP by hexokinase in the glucose 6-phosphate. Now glucose 6-phosphate is the isomerase of the fructose 6-phosphate by the phosphoglucose isomerase. Second phosphorylation leads to the production of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate by the phosphofructokinase PFK1. It's a short form, which is the rate of limitation of enzyme of glycolysis. The reaction of use 1 ATP. The enzyme aldose is split the fructose 1,6-bisphosphate into the 3 carbonic molecule glycerol 3-phosphate. It's isomer of dihydroxyacetone phosphate, which is ultimately converted to the glycerol 3-phosphate. Okay. Now in second phase, energy production phase. It's the first phase is energy consume phase. Now is energy production phase, payoff phase. Okay, this is also called payoff phase. Now is this conversion of glyceride 3-phosphate to the 2-pyruvate. The production of 4 ATP and 2 NADH. NADH is a very important component for using different conditions like ATP electron transport chain. We are already discussed in previous video. Okay, glycerol 3-phosphate is converted to the 1,6-bisphosphoglyceride. Okay, glycerol 3-phosphate is converted to the 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Okay, and it is enzyme 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate are converted to the 3-phosphoglycerate, and 3-phosphoglycerate is converted to the 2-phosphoglycerate, and 2-phosphoglycerate to the convert to the phosphophenol pyruvate. Okay, this is the process of now phosphophenol pyruvate to phosphophenolic pyruvate to it's converted to the pyruvate by the enzyme used pyruvate kinase. It's produce ATP to ATP to ATP. It is production of ATP. You may see that in 7th number phase is converted to 1,3-bisphosphate glycerate to the 3-phosphoglycerate. Is also 2 ATP to convert to the 2 ATP. And in glycerol 3-phosphate in 6th number step is converted to the NAD2 to 2 molecule of 2 NAD2, 2 molecule of NADH plus H. Okay, now 2 molecule of pyruvate is produced. Involving reaction, the first redox reaction is the oxidation glycerol 3-phosphate to the 1,3-bisphosphoglyceronic acid by the glyceride 3-phosphate dehydrogenase using NAD2 as a cofactor. Okay, 1,3-bisphosphoglyceronic acid to convert to the 3-phosphoglyceronic acid by the phosphoglycerate kinase. This is the reaction generated by a 2 ATP per glucose molecule. Reverse conversion of glucose for 3-phosphoglyceronic acid to the phosphoglyceronic acid by the phosphoglutarate. Okay, phosphoglycerate mutarate. Reversal conversion of 3-phosphoglycerate to the phosphopyruvic acid. Okay, this is the enclosed and regulate the reversal reaction. Reversal reaction involved in the conversion of PEP to the pyruvate. Okay, phosphoglycerate to convert to the pyruvic acid by pyruvic kinase. There is need to ATP glucose are molecule in this reaction. ATP generation during the stage 1-2 is glycolysis. 2 ATP molecule are consumed and 4 ATP molecule are synthesized. And this is the neat energy in the glycolysis 2 molecule of ATP as per molecule of glucose fermentation. In this picture, I give it to you. Is conversion of glucose to pyruvate. 2 ATP are consumed and glycolysis. Now 4 ATP are produced for the 2 molecule of NADPH for 4 molecule of ATP in electron transport chain. It produced and 2 NADPH also are produced of 6 ATP. Okay, so now the pyruvate also convert to the acetyl CoA. Okay, now in acetyl CoA using Krebs cycle. In Krebs cycle, 6 NADH convert to the 18 ATP and 2 ATP is convert to the 4 ATP. So total neat ATP yield glycolysis with Krebs cycle is 36. Actually, the maximum AT yield oxidation of glucose is 38, but consume the 2 molecule of ATP, its maximum ATP yield of oxidation of glucose in 36 to 38 ATP. The maximum yield ATP glucose molecule are dependent on the capacity of glycolysis with cyclic cycle by the means of pyruvic dehydrogenase. Significance of glycolysis pathway. The glycolytic pathway is employed by the tissue of breakdown of glucose energy from the ATP. Important pathway or production energy, especially under the anaerobic condition. It is a cure of generation of cell without mitochondria, the form of production of intermediate of other metabolic pathway. Okay. Okay, thank you so much.